Your liver is your body's ultimate multitasker, processing nutrients, filtering toxins, and keeping your metabolism in check. But what happens when this vital organ gets overloaded with fat? If you've recently been told you have fatty liver, also known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, you're not alone. Millions of people are affected, mostly due to unhealthy eating habits. But here's the good news, your liver has an amazing ability to heal itself. And the most powerful way to start that healing is through your diet. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate "eat this, not that" guide to help you reverse fatty liver naturally. Let's get started. First, before healing begins, we need to stop the damage. Here are the top foods you must avoid. Number 1, added sugar and high fructose corn syrup. Sugary drinks, sodas, desserts, and processed foods overload your liver. The extra sugar gets converted directly into fat, making your condition worse. Number 2, refined carbohydrates. White bread, white rice, pasta, and cereals cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. This leads to fat storage, especially in your liver. Number 3, saturated and trans fats. Fried foods, fast food, processed meats, and margarine increase inflammation and fat buildup in liver cells. Number 4, alcohol. Even if your condition is non-alcoholic fatty liver, alcohol puts extra stress on your liver. Avoiding it completely helps your liver recover faster. Now, let's talk about the foods that can actually heal your liver. Number 1, omega-3 rich fish. Salmon, sardines, and trout are packed with healthy fats that reduce liver fat and inflammation. Try to include them in your meals twice a week. Number 2, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are full of antioxidants and fiber. They help prevent fat buildup and keep your blood sugar stable. Number 3, whole grains. Switch from refined carbs to brown rice, oats, and quinoa. These are rich in fiber and help control blood sugar levels. Number 4, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats and vitamin E, which support liver function. Number 5, black coffee. Yes, coffee. Drinking black coffee without sugar can help protect your liver and improve enzyme levels. Healing your liver doesn't happen overnight. But every meal is a chance to make a better choice. Replace sugary drinks with water. Choose whole grains over refined ones. Add more greens and healthy fats to your diet. You don't have to be perfect, just stay consistent. So, which of these foods will you add to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.